Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the second class out of the 2024 Christmas card class series. Now, if you're new to this series, this is the one where every month I release a new Christmas card class where you make 12 cards. So as you can see, I have 4 different designs and you make 3 of each of the different designs for a total of 12 cards. Now, this program has 5 classes. This is the second one out of those 5 classes. And when you take all 5 classes, you pretty much have made 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. So this is a very popular card class with my customers because I do all the hard work of the designing and they just get the kit and enjoy a nice afternoon crafting while they're getting ready for the holiday. So anyway, if you are someone who would love to start making your Christmas cards as you get ready, before all the chaos starts, this is a program from you, my friend. So anyway, so let me tell you about what this class is going to include. I have 2 options. One is for those of you who want everything to make the cards, okay? So this option is option 1. You'll get the make and take kit to make the cards. You're also going to be getting half a pack of the silver foil, which you can tell I don't have as much anymore. You're also going to be getting half a pack of the Winter Meadow Designer Series paper, which is the one that I am featuring in this class. And you're also going to be getting a full pack of the Snowflake assortment and a full pack of the Sherry Cobbler and Pearls adhesive back berries, as well as a linen thread. So all of these you get. You also get, of course, a PDF with all the measurements, the pictures, and all the video tutorials for you to make your cards. I love doing video tutorials because I can share a little bit more of tips as we put our cards together. Now, one thing that you need to know is that you do need to have the sophisticated Sled bundle, which is the one that I am featuring tonight or in this class, mainly because you need to be die cutting all the pieces from this kit. You can see I went crazy with die cutting, which is it's just super fun. I promise you, it's not hard. You just take one afternoon, die cut, and then another afternoon to put together, and then another afternoon, assemble your cards. Believe me, you're gonna have fun. So anyway, so you do need to have this one. So I have on the registration form an option for you to add on this bundle because you're gonna be needing. The other thing that is important to say is that the sentiments on this bundle were more winter related, and so because I wanted to put on my cards Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, I went ahead and used the same sentiment stamp set that I used on my first stamp stack. So I did that because hopefully you already have this since we use it on cards number 1, and this is the greetings of the season. Now this one, I love it. It's very simple. You have Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. I love also that we have a large image for the inside of my card, which is this one, and so I went with that one. But of course, you can change the sentiment to something else, some other stamp set that you have that has Merry Christmas. Not too hard to do. So anyway, so that's option 1. Now option 1 is $57 and you have to register through my registration link. Now I cannot post that registration link, so please email me at ali@creatingwithali.com and ask for that registration link. You can also leave me a comment with your email and I can email you that registration form. This is by policy from Stampin' Up. I cannot really just post the link. I wish I could. That would be so much easier. But the other thing is, if you are on my mailing list, which go into the description of this video, like down below, and you can see there's some like join my mailing list or stay in touch with Ali, go ahead, click on that link, send your information. That way you're going to be subscribed to my mailing list so that I can be sending you the information about the registration link, so you don't have to be asking for that link every single time. All right, so that's the best. Again, go ahead down below in the description, you can go ahead and be on my mailing list, or also make sure you email me or comment that you want the registration link. If you want the registration link, make sure you email me or you send me your email so that I can send it to you. So anyway, so that's that. Now, the option 2 is for those of you who have everything already. You have the cardstock, the designer series paper, the foil, the gems, like you're ready to go. You just need instructions on how to make the cards. If that is you, also if you are not in the US, because I can only ship in the US, so maybe you're in Canada or somewhere else. But if that is you, you have the option of the tutorial. I do sell the tutorials from my classes, and so you can go at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put a link here also in the corner, so you can just go ahead and look at all my past card classes. It will be there posted for you to sign up. Sorry, for you to get the tutorial, and as soon as you purchase the tutorial, you get the downloadable link to get the file. You also should be getting an email, so make sure you check your spam just in case. But if anything, like if you don't see it within the next 5 minutes, right once you purchase, please email me again at ali@creatingwithali.com to sort things out. So anyway, I hope you join me in this class. Like I said, I am in love with how this looks, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this class. So anyway, so hope to see you inside the class, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.